Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning YouTube! Andito tayo ngayon sa rooftop, nagre-rest ako. Ayan guys, kung makikita nyo. Ang isang OFW na nandito sa Hong Kong ay nagpapahinga muna. Ako ay isang mahilig magsalita, mahilig magbigay ng advice na ayon sa galing sa aking experience. Ako ay isa ring mahilig tumulong na kaya lamang ng aking bulusa. At tayo ay nandito nagre-relax. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong ganda mayroon ang aking lugar. Doon guys, bundok. Pagandahin natin guys ang umaga. Lagi tayong maging team positive, be humble, be active, at magsipag tayo guys. Thank you guys for watching.